In a world plagued by bacteria and pathogens, one particle stands between chaos and cleanliness. Meet E Lectron. Faster than a gamma ray, more powerful than ETO, able to sterilize tall medical devices in a single bound. My electron senses tingling. I detect unsterile medical devices in need of my help.
But E Lectron, it's Dr. Contamination. There are thousands of devices in need of sterilization.
No problem is too big for the E Lectron. With my super speed of 99.9999% the speed of light and my penetrating power, I can save them all. You'll never stop these bacteria, E Lectron. Well, that's where you're wrong, Doc. With my precise dose control and cold processing powers, I can eliminate threats without damaging the innocent materials. Once again, E Lectron saves the day, providing fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly sterilization for all. Remember, citizens, when you need reliable sterilization that's faster than a speeding bullet and more powerful than a locomotive, call E-Beam Services, where every electron is a superhero.